My name is James. I'm a student at Strathclyde University and I study mechanical engineering. This summer I worked as an architecture design engineer and co-product management. I applied to the Saltire Scholars programme because it's an exciting opportunity to get work experience with leading global companies and entrepreneurial companies. So what I do is I'm an architectural design engineer and I get sent floor plans from sites all across Europe and the world. I use a design program called AutoCAD, and what I do with AutoCAD is I look at the floor plans and I see what the occupancy of these potential buildings would be as a hostel. I also look at whether they need to be renovated or how much the renovation cost would be. And then after that, what I do is I send a report to the financial team of the occupancy of hostels, and what they do is they can see whether it will be feasible to buy the building and turn it into a hostel based on the information I provided to them. Code aspires to be the leading brand in the hostel market worldwide. So outside of work, I've attended some good networking events. I went to the social in Glasgow and I got to meet a few important individuals and meet other scholars. By being in a professional environment, I've learned many different skills. I've learned technical skills with my AutoCAD software. I've improved them, I've improved my Excel skills, I've been using that a lot. I've also improved social skills, interacting with people in scenarios where I haven't been comfortable in before, but now I can talk to my colleagues on a one-to-one basis. I've really enjoyed working in a small team. Before going into this internship, I was a bit apprehensive about going into the adult world, getting a real job, 9 to 5. I quite enjoyed being a student, and I wasn't 100% confident in my ability. But after coming to Code, I've got a lot more confident in my abilities, because even though I do play a relatively small part of the company, the work I do does contribute positively to the company. It's nice to know that I'm capable of doing something positive for the company, and yeah, it makes it enjoyable coming to work. When you're at university, it doesn't really feel like it's quite real, and then to know that I can transfer them into a workplace environment and make a difference, something I never knew I could do. So this internship's been really good for me. I've learned to think on my feet a lot more with being in a professional working environment. I'm feeling a lot more confident for my future career after this internship, knowing that I can work well in an environment like this. I know that I can actually apply my skills and it make a difference. The advice I'd give to someone applying to Saltire would contact a previous scholar, because there's certain things that Saltire are looking for in an individual, and it's important to know these things and tailor your application towards that. For instance, Saltire are really big on entrepreneurship and really big on the benefits you can bring to Scotland, and if you know these things you can tailor your CV, and then they understand what you're looking for. I'm sure this work experience will make a difference in my future career. I'm excited to see what the future will bring.